You stay away from Becca, you stay away from me, and you stay away from this house. You're fired. You got that?
After a bitter divorce, Gail Foley and her 18-year-old daughter, Becca, move into a quiet suburban home, hoping for a fresh start. But the house carries a shadowy past. The previous owner, Rhonda Phillips, died under mysterious circumstances, leaving neighbors uneasy. Soon after moving in, they meet Adam Lance, a polite and helpful pool cleaner who had worked for Rhonda. At first, his presence feels comforting, yet small, unsettling incidents begin to surface. Doors left unlocked, misplaced items, and strange comments that make Gail uneasy. Becca, seeking independence, sees Adam as trustworthy, unaware of her mother's growing concern. Meanwhile, Gail notices odd accidents, broken objects, cryptic notes, and hints that someone might be watching. Tension grows as Adam's subtle actions start isolating Gail from friends and work, and even creating distance between her and Becca. Determined to protect her family, Gail investigates Adam's past. She discovers troubling hints involving previous tenants, revealing how carefully he manipulates perception. Each discovery raises the stakes, showing the quiet danger of someone who controls what others see. As psychological tension peaks, Gail pieces together the puzzle. Using intuition, observation, and courage, she prepares for a climactic confrontation. In the end, she exposes Adam's manipulations, working to rebuild trust with Becca and restore their sense of safety. This story is a suspenseful thriller exploring resilience, vigilance, and the delicate balance of trust within a family. It delivers mystery, tension, and intrigue, so make sure to subscribe for the next video.